Happy Friday, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Center. We have here this cold front passing through our shores, and behind it, we are going to have light rain and drizzle for the first half of your Friday between Cape Agulhas and Port Elizabeth. But further east, the cold front is going to maintain more intense rainfall along much of the east coast. Much of the interior will stay with isolated to scattered thunderstorms, and the scattered storms will be confined mostly to the central and eastern parts of the country. It's going to be dry as we go towards the west coast, and we're expecting mostly clear skies for the Cape Town area. Now, up to a 60% chance of thunderstorms is forecasted this Friday, where you see the dark shade of blue across much of Limpopo, Mpumalanga, Gauteng, Northwest, the Free State, and the western parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Where you see this lighter shade of blue, we are expecting up to a 40% chance of precipitation. Just a 20% chance of drizzle is forecast over parts of the south coast. Here's how hot it's going to be in your part of South Africa. Vryburg will shoot to 37 degrees once again, just 2 degrees cooler in Mahikeng, much cooler as we go towards Gauteng, where Johannesburg will be below 30 degrees, 31 for the high in Pretoria, and a mild 23 is forecast for Ermelo. Bloemfontein is going to hit the 30-degree mark this afternoon, but it's going to be mild across much of the Eastern Cape, with temperatures in the lower 20s for most areas. Warm in KwaZulu-Natal, Pietermaritzburg, Ladysmith, and Vryheid, peaking at around 26 degrees. We're also expecting warm temperatures along much of the east coast, where moderate to fresh southwesterlies are forecast in most places. It's going to be cooler this Friday afternoon for much of the southern interior. Somerset East managing a high of just 25. Temperatures will shoot to around 39, however, as we go towards Vredendal. It's going to be mild along much of the south coast and parts of the southwest coastline. However, we are expecting another windy day between Hermanus and Muizenberg. Fresh to strong southwesterlies are forecast between Plettenberg Bay and Muscle Bay, and swell heights of the south coast will average around 2 meters coming from a southwesterly direction. It's going to stay hot for Appington, shooting to 40 degrees once again, slightly cooler in Kimberley, but much cooler as we go towards Sutherland. A hot 35 is forecast for Springbok. Windy weather is forecast this Friday between Cape Town and Langaban. A high of 31 is forecast for Cape Town. It's going to be mild once again for Alexander Bay. On Saturday, we stay with scattered thunderstorms across eastern South Africa, passing showers over the western interior, and it's going to be partly cloudy and hot for Cape Town. That's it for the weather. Have a great one.